you got your drawing paper and pens ready? Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a dinosaur. Let's start with the head. His big mouth and sharp teeth. I can see his tongue. Can you see it too? He is holding something in his hands. What is it? Oh, it's an apple. Let's move to his legs. What sharp claws he has! And a big, thick tail. Now, little details. Scales on his front. What about his tail? It has spikes. The spikes go all the way up. And little round patches on his sides. Now, let's go over the lines and make them darker. Have you got your colors ready? Let's start. Dark brown for the round patches on the sides of his body. Don't forget the spikes. And the claws. Now light brown for the rest of the body. Hands and legs. The dinosaur is smiling. He likes the colors. Dark pink for his nostrils and his gums. What color is his tongue? Light pink. Yes. White for his sharp teeth. Be careful, the dinosaur will bite. Shall we use peach for his stomach? Now for the apple. Green for the leaf and red for the apple. Our dinosaur is ready! He looks nice and colorful, doesn't he?
Hey kids, guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn how to draw a dinosaur. Just look at these curvy lines. Pause the video and copy it a bit at a time. Here we are doing the legs and the feet. And finishing off the tail. Some facial features. An eye, a smile, and some spikes. Some of them can be triangles and some of them can be half a hexagon. Do you know what shape a hexagon is? It has 6 sides. And some spots, which are kind of oval shaped. Thickening up the black border. Ooh, we love it. It's going to look great when it's all coloured in. Some toes. Now time to colour in. We're doing a lovely green colour. It's almost a kind of lime green. We're using a nice fine-tipped colouring pen. You can, of course, paint, use crayons or pencils, whatever you like. What a great colour! Do you know about different types of dinosaurs? You do? Which one's your favourite? I love the Stegosaurus. Ooh, and the T-Rex. This looks like a very friendly dinosaur, doesn't it? What should we call her? How about Greenie? No. Okay, what about Samantha? No, that doesn't sound very dinosaur-like, does it? Okay, how about Gloria? How about I let you think of a name? So we're doing dark green for the spots. And now we're colouring in every other spike yellow. And orange in between. Orange and yellow. Ooh, lovely citrus colours. It's a very citrusy dinosaur. Oranges and lemons at the bells of St. Clements, doing the toes yellow. And it's as easy as that. Well done. Hey kids, guess what? We're going to draw a dinosaur today. That's right. Ooh, let's start with the eyes. 2 small circles, 2 little arch eyebrows, a gorgeous bobbly hat. Now for the main body. And the legs and the neck. Feet, tummy. There. Bit of detail. That's right. Good job. And some stripes on the hat. Rosy cheeks, smiley mouth, nostrils. And you can't have a party without balloons, because I think it's this dino's birthday today. Fantastic! There! A little bit of flowery detail. Wow, what would you like to put on your dinosaur? Maybe some hearts? Maybe some stars? Right, let's paint. Gold first. For the bobble on our hat. And now we're going to do the stripes. Multicoloured, of course. I do love his party hat. Red tongue. Turquoise for the last stripe. Now let's go for some pink rosy cheeks. And flowers. There. Green next for the main body. Do you know much about dinosaurs? Can you think of any dinosaur names? How about T-Rex? How about Stegosaurus? Brachiosaurus? Can you think of any others? Pterodactyl? There were flying dinosaurs, swimming dinosaurs, walking dinosaurs, meat-eating dinosaurs, leaf-eating dinosaurs, just so many different types. There. Gold tummy. And brown toes. We'll do yellow for the centre of our flowers. Right, time to colour our balloons, starting with red. Ooh, lovely. And yellow. What colour shall we do our third balloon? How about purple? What a great colour. And done. And turquoise just for the finishing touches. Voila! You have one beautiful, party-tastic baby dinosaur. Aww.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.